Good evening, Chiefs. My name is Tamika Robinson. I'm the proud principal here at Santaluces Community High School, and we are excited and delighted to welcome you to the 2024-25 school year, and thank you for coming to our open house. This year, we are excited as we have earned a B from last year's assessments from the Florida Department of Education, and this year we are trailblazing to an A. I really feel that with our staff, we have the best staff in Palm Beach County, and of course the best students, that we are equipped to make sure that we earn an A rating by the Florida Department of Education. So I just really kind of want to just make sure that everyone understands all of our safety mandates that we must follow, that is dictated by the State Department. And the big one this year is really our students wearing their IDs. Of course, every student has to go through a metal detector, and the students are doing a really good job doing that. Parents, if you can just really continue to help us and enforce the ID policy and just making sure students follow all of our expectations and protocols during the instructional day, that would be fantastic. You know, when it comes to school safety, it is everyone's responsibility, and we really look to our students, staff, and community to help us ensure that our campuses are safe every day. Also, as we go into the school year, all of our fall sports are underway, so we really would like for our parents and guardians to come out to all of our events, athletic events, because the kids love to see you there and to just really show your chief spirit. And our SAC meeting, so our School Advisory Council is a group or a committee, I should say, that meets with me on a monthly basis, and we really talk about school-wide issues. And we actually have a SAC table in the courtyard. If you didn't get an opportunity to sign up, I really encourage you to do so. We meet the third Wednesday of each month. However, for the month of September, we're going to be meeting next Wednesday, September 4th at 6 p.m. in the Media Center. And it's an opportunity for you to, of course, dialogue with me, the principal, but to really have some input on some of our school-wide protocols. So please, I ask all parents, if you can, it's just one Wednesday out of the month. If you could come and join us, that would be greatly appreciated. And one thing that we're really trying to do also this year is increase our business partnerships within the community. So if you are a business partner or you know of a business partner, please have them reach out to us so that we could really start having more support from the community. That would be greatly appreciated as well. And finally, again, I just would like to thank you for coming out to our open house tonight. This is not an opportunity to have a parent conference, but it is a way for you to learn more about the courses that your students are taking, meet their teachers, and just get a little bit information that you need in regards to helping your student succeed while they're here at Santaluces. In the event you would like to schedule a conference, please don't hesitate to reach out to our counseling department or let our teachers know so that we can contact you to come in for a parent conference. I look forward to seeing all of you this evening as I'm visiting classes, and everyone have a great night. Thank you.